Hi everybody, this is Jamie with our little Pilates practice, and we're doing lots of circles today. Pelvic circles, pelvic clock, side leg circles, leg circles. So we'll start with a couple little imprints and then we'll do a pelvic clock. So inhale. Let's put one hand on our tummy as a reminder. Exhale, imprint your spine, draw your belly button towards your back. Inhale, release. Exhale. One more imprint. And exhale. Now we're going to add a circle. So we're going to start with our imprint. Shift our weight over to the hips to one side and then back to our lower spine, and then shift your weight to the other side and to the back. So I'm making a little clock. I'm going side, back, over, forward, side, back, over, forward, like I'm tracing the hands of a clock with my pelvis. So let's put our hands on our tummy. Inhale, exhale, draw your belly button in and do your imprint. Now send your weight over to your right side and then take it towards your tailbone, and then send your weight over to the other side and back. So we go to the right side, to the tailbone, shift your weight over to the left side, like the number 9 on the clock, and then to your 12. So we start at 12, we go around, forward, over, and up. One more time. Around, forward, over to the other side, to the 9 and up. And then of course you can reverse your circle direction, so you can go from your 12 over to your left to your 9, tip to your tailbone, and come back over to your 3 and 12, and do that again. Over, it should feel good to your back. 6 and 3 and 12. And just hug your knees in. Good job. We're going to do leg circles. So maybe stretch your leg up and down a couple times. This is a modified leg circle. There's many variations. But we're going to have our right leg up, our left leg bent. Put your left hand on your left hip, point your right foot. Inhale, prepare, and do a little circle. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more. Reverse your circle and around. And around. And around. Last one. We're focusing on the opposite leg, not the leg doing the circle, and change sides. Put your right hand on your right hip, take your left leg up, and circle. 2, 3, and 4. The right side doesn't move, reverse. Draw a circle on the sky. Inhale, exhale, one more. So you're trying not to wiggle and jiggle your hips around, even though, of course, that feels really good. Okay, let's flip over to our side. We're gonna do a really fun one today called banana. And we're gonna start though, we're in Pilates, so we lift out of the floor. You're gonna take your feet to the front corner, bring your right hand to your right hip, take your foot off. We're gonna just do side kick, forward and back. Keep your tummy in, some little circles. Ready, we go. Reverse, around. I like to point my feet and turn them out, but you can also do it flexed and parallel. It changes which muscles you use. And then we're gonna do big circles, which are also sometimes called grands, big, grand de jambe. For this one, we get to move our hips because we're really moving our legs. So take your leg forward, inhale, exhale, up and around and together. Inhale, exhale, around. One more, forward, up, big circle, and reverse. Around, up, to the front, together, around, up, to the front, one more time, around, up, and forward, and back. Good, and stretch out for banana. So, make a straight line. You can have one hand in front of you, and we're gonna bring our head and our feet up. This is called banana. You reach your head towards your feet. Inhale, up, and then do that a few times without this arm. Now let's take this arm up. Inhale, up and down. Inhale, up and down, and one more. Good, and you keep your feet together, and let's come on to our tummy, and just take a few swans, shoulders reach towards your toes. Inhale, up, exhale, down, inhale, up, exhale, one more time, up, exhale, good, and then let's change sides. Bring your legs over to the other side. Prop yourself up, lift out of the mat, bring your feet out, take them to the front corner. Bring your left hand to your hip. Keep it still for side kick. Forward and back. Then we're going to add our baby circles or little circles. Around, reverse, big circles. So we go forward, up, back, together. Inhale, exhale, around. Two more times. Of course, you can do this smaller too. You can go back, up and make an arc like you're tracing a rainbow. Back, up and trace that rainbow and around. Back, up and around. One more time. Back, up, forward, together. And then we'll lengthen out for banana. For this one, let's just try to bring our head toward our feet first. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up. Now we can add our arm. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This is good for our obliques. One more, up and down, and good. And let's roll onto our tummy one more time, and we'll come up and come back and take a little baby rest in child's pose with the palms turned up. And then we will come forward for open leg rocker one. So we'll bring our feet together in diamond shape. If you can, float your feet off. You can hold here, 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 or you can, if you're more flexy, you can hold under your feet, or here. So pick where you want to hold. I like to hold right here. Inhale. Oh, I'll do the other side first. Sorry. Inhale. Exhale. Other foot. Inhale. Exhale. Similar to rolling like a ball. Your spine is round. Ideally, your feet are off the floor, but you can always have one foot on. One more set. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do both together and hold. Inhale. Exhale. And hold. This is not part of open leg rocker too. It's just good for us. And then roll. Good. Excellent. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.